Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a challenge every student knows too well: time management. Do you ever feel like you're constantly racing against the clock, juggling assignments, exams, and maybe even a part-time job? Trust me, I've been there. But the good news is, mastering your time is a skill you can learn. Stick around, and I'll share actionable tips to help you conquer your to-do list and still have time for the things you love. Alright, let's get real for a second. Before we can conquer our time, we need to understand where it's actually going. And no, I'm not talking about some vague idea of how you spend your day. I'm talking about getting granular, getting specific, and really tracking your time. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to budget your money without knowing how much you spend each month. Chaos, right? Time management is the same. We often overestimate how much time we have and underestimate how long tasks actually take. So here's your first challenge. For the next 24 hours, I want you to track your time religiously. Use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or even a dedicated time tracking app. Every time you switch tasks, jot it down. Spent 20 minutes scrolling through Instagram? Write it down. Binge watched a show for 3 hours? You know the drill. I know it sounds a bit tedious, but trust me, the insights you gain from this exercise are pure gold. You might be surprised by how much time you spend on things that don't actually move the needle in your life. Once you have that 24-hour log, take a good hard look at it. Are there any patterns? Time sinks? Maybe you're spending way more time than you thought on social media or getting caught in unproductive study sessions. Let's be real, we've all been there, staring at a mile-long to-do list, feeling completely overwhelmed and unsure where to even start. But here's the secret. Not all tasks are created equal. Some deserve your immediate attention, while others, well, not so much. That's where the Eisenhower Matrix comes in. This simple but powerful tool helps you categorize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Picture a 4-quadrant grid. These are the tasks that require your immediate attention: deadlines looming, crucial exams, urgent requests. This is your sweet spot for long-term success: planning, relationship building, working towards your goals. These are often distractions disguised as important tasks, unimportant meetings, other people's emergencies. This is the procrastination zone. Mindless scrolling, binge-watching, activities that don't contribute to your goals. Your goal? Minimize time spent in quadrants 3 and 4, while strategically tackling quadrants 1 and 2. By focusing on your MITs, you're essentially prioritizing impact over just checking things off a list. It's about making sure your time and energy are invested in the things that truly matter. Chapter 3. The power of planning. Design your ideal day. Let's talk about the power of planning your day. I'm not talking about rigid, minute-by-minute schedules that leave no room for spontaneity. I'm talking about creating a flexible framework that helps you prioritize your time and maximize your productivity. Think of it like this. If your day is a ship, planning is like setting a course. Without it, you're likely to drift aimlessly, tossed around by the waves of distractions and competing demands. Here's how to design your ideal day. 1. Time blocking. This is a game changer. Instead of just listing out your tasks, allocate specific time slots for them. For example, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., study for upcoming math exam. 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., take a break, go for a walk, clear your head. 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., work on that history essay outline. 2. Be realistic. Remember, we're aiming for progress, not perfection. Don't pack your schedule so tightly that you set yourself up for failure. Build in buffer time for unexpected tasks or those moments when you need a little longer to complete something. 3. Prioritize your energy. We all have peak productivity times. Some of us are morning people, while others thrive in the evening. Schedule your most demanding tasks for when you're naturally at your best. 4. Don't forget breaks. Stepping away from your work, even for 5 to 10 minutes, can help you return feeling refreshed and re-energized. Chapter 4. Beat procrastination from later to done. Let's talk about the P word: procrastination. We've all been there, that looming deadline, the growing sense of dread, and the irresistible urge to do literally anything else but the task at hand. But what if I told you that procrastination isn't about laziness, but rather a lack of clarity and effective strategies? Here's the thing. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. When we face a challenging or overwhelming task, our natural instinct is to avoid that discomfort. That's where procrastination swoops in, offering a tempting escape route into the land of distractions. But fear not, my friend, because I'm about to arm you with powerful tools to conquer procrastination. 1. The 2-minute rule. This is my secret weapon. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it now. Don't overthink it, don't add it to your to-do list, just get it done. Responding to that email, putting away your laundry, these small wins create momentum and clear mental space for bigger tasks. 2. Break it down. Large tasks can feel incredibly daunting. Instead of staring at the mountain, break it down into smaller, more manageable hills. Writing a 10-page essay? Start with an outline, then focus on one section at a time. 3. Remove distractions. Create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. Silence your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and let your family or roommates know you're in focus mode. 4. Reward yourself. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Finished a chapter? Take a break and enjoy your favorite snack. Completed a challenging assignment? Treat yourself to a movie night. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in building good habits. Chapter 5. Time management is self-care, recharge, and thrive. Here's the thing about time management. It's not just about squeezing every last drop of productivity out of your day. It's about creating a sustainable system that supports your well-being and allows you to thrive. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect a car to run smoothly without regular maintenance and the occasional pit stop, right? Well, your mind and body deserve the same care and attention. Here are a few essential self-care practices to incorporate into your time management routine. 1. Prioritize sleep. I know, easier said than done when you're juggling a million things. But trust me, getting enough sleep is non-negotiable for optimal cognitive function, focus, and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. 2. Move your body. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful tool for stress management, boosting your mood, and improving focus. Even a short walk or quick workout can make a world of difference. 3. Nourish your body. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, would you? The same goes for your body. Fuel yourself with nutritious foods that provide sustained energy and support brain function. 4. Schedule downtime. Actually, schedule time for relaxation and activities you enjoy. So there you have it. Actionable strategies to master your time and conquer your student life. Remember, managing your time is a skill. It gets better with practice. Start small and stay consistent. Try out one new technique each day, experiment, and see what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more student success tips. Until next time, stay focused and stay awesome.